People with stature and pedigree should be held into greater account for words that promote hate, division, and violence. Hence, Police Major General and CIDG Commander Nicolas Torre III is standing pat on his decision to charge the former president and not let his dangerous public statements over the weekend slide, as such pronouncements could lead to putting people in harm's way. As Orion Lesigas reports.
CIDG Director Police Major General Nicolas Torre III firmly insists he filed the case against former President Rodrigo Duterte of his own free will and that no one ordered him to do so. Torre emphasized he did this as a patriotic Filipino and policeman without any political motive. Yesterday, Torre formally filed charges against Duterte at the DOJ for inciting to sedition and unlawful utterance. This in connection with Duterte's statement suggesting the killing of incumbent senators.
Nakita natin ang elemento ng paglabag ng batas ay nandun sa mga sinabi niya sa kanyang mga ginawa.
The official explained that making statements and later claiming they were just jokes is not appropriate. He said Duterte's supporters might take his words seriously, just as they did during the declaration of the war on illegal drugs.
Kaya nga hindi tayo siseryosohin ng ibang mga bansa at ng iba pang mga tao kung ganyan na ganyan ang policy natin na para bang nag-normalize na lang sa atin ang violence at wala ng batas. Hindi po pwede yan.
The CIDG also encouraged the public to respect the legal process to avoid speculation that could lead to division. The CIDG assured transparency and impartiality in handling the case.
Alam niyo po, ang batas kasi, the law applies to all equally. Nasa kanila na po yan kung gusto pa rin nilang gawin ang mga bagay-bagay na yan na nakita naman nila na labag na nga sa batas. Sinasabi na nga nating labag sa batas yan. Hindi dapat ginagawa yan.
Torre also guaranteed to stand firm on the case he filed against the former president until the end.
Oo naman. Hindi naman tayo gaya nila na kinaumagahan. Pag maipit na, sasagutin na joke only. Hindi ho. Pinal ko ho ito, pinirmahan ko ito at iniligay ko rito ang aking professional career ko.
Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.